Hey there, beautiful. Spring is here, and you know what that means. It is time to do some spring cleaning. And I'm not talking about your closet or your garage, girlfriend. I am talking about your makeup brushes. So, I got a quick question for you. When is the last time that you cleaned your makeup brushes? If you don't remember, this video is definitely for you, girlfriend. And we are so excited to share the products and hacks with you today so you can get your makeup brushes in check. We'll see you on the other side. Hey there, my name is Ingafay, and this is the Do You Boo Beauty channel for busy professionals like yourself that value their opinion or are looking for convenient beauty solutions that actually fit in their life. Today, we are talking about our makeup brushes, and we really want to make sure that you are spring cleaning your makeup brushes so you can have all of the things that you want to have when it comes to looking your best. Clean makeup brushes mean better makeup application, healthier skin, and long-lasting tools. Because we know when you spend your money, you want your value, right, girlfriend? So we're going to make sure that you get that value today in what we're sharing with you today. So the first thing I wanted to talk to you about today is your makeup brush collection. Do you have one, girlfriend? If not, Mary Kay has a great brush collection. It has a powder brush, a blush brush, and 3 eye makeup brushes that allow you to really apply your makeup flawlessly. And these brushes are really highly made, high quality, and they are just essential for beauty application. Whether you're doing your eyeshadow, your brush, or your powder. And the thing that I love the most about them is the performance of the brushes. But the brushes don't perform well when they're caked up with makeup and oil and bacteria. That's why it's very essential for you to make sure that you are cleaning your brushes. Dirty brushes actually lead to breakouts and uneven application, as well as mixing your makeup pigments. I'm sure you've probably tried to apply some eyeshadow, and when you applied it on, it wasn't as potent as it usually is. It's because your brushes are dirty, girlfriend. And we want to help you spring clean your brushes. But I want to say this one disclaimer. Cleaning your brushes is not all about organization. It is really about the health of your skin and making sure that you get the best performance from your tools. Because when you invest in a quality set of brushes like the Mary Kay brush set, when you properly clean your brushes, it's going to help them last a long time. And I know again, like I said before, when you spend your money, you want your money to last. So if you are looking for if you're trying to find out which Mary Kay brushes would be best for your specific beauty routine, I want you to comment, book me, so we can set up a virtual beauty experience specifically for you to make sure that you got what you need, girlfriend. So the next thing that we are going to talk about is the hydrating cleanser. And this is the secret weapon for deep cleaning your brushes. Yes, this is the same cleaner that some of you are using for your face, and it gives your brush, it's a great deep clean. And I want to show you exactly how this works in this quick video. But before I do that, I want to share with you how often you should be cleaning your brushes. You typically want to clean your brushes weekly or bi-weekly. Weekly, I would say, for the person that has oily skin, and bi-weekly for the person that has normal to dry skin. Us oily skin girls, we can break out easier because we have those natural oils. So it's very imperative that you do this on a regular basis. Now, I know I'm talking about this at the beginning of the spring because it's the cleaning season, but I want you to know that you don't have to wait till the spring to do this. This is a bi-weekly and weekly type of application. So I want to show you this quick video. So you're going to put a small amount of the hydrating cleanser in your hands. And when you apply the cleanser, you're just going to move it directly in the brush hairs and just work it in to the brushes. We'll play that again. You'll gently massage the cleanser into your brush hairs, and then you're going to rinse it like you see here under running lukewarm water. And once the water is clear, that's how you know that your brushes are clean. Now, the hydrating cleanser is gentle enough to give you that deep clean so that you don't damage your brushes, and it's also going to really break down that makeup and oil and bacteria. And it conditions your brush hairs so you can keep them soft and prevent them from shedding over time. So it's really a great thing to do, like I said, on a bi-weekly or weekly basis to make sure that you do this to clean your brushes. And once you do, you can see in this picture, you have a beautiful set of clean brushes that you would then lie on the side. So you have it on your counter. You would actually lie the brush on your counter so that you would allow the brushes to clean by themselves and not have the brush hair, the water from the cleaning go into the ferrule, which can loosen the glue in the brushes, which will cause your brushes to shed. So it's imperative that you lay them on the side. Put it on your bathroom counter, or you can put it on the little lip of your tub, but just make sure that you lay them down on the side so they can air dry. Okay, so that is how you would do that. Now, if you were looking to see more about the hydrating the hydrating cleanser that you use for your face that now can also be used for your brushes, I have a link, so you can click on the link so you can get yours today. Okay, so be sure to check out that link. So next, last but definitely not least, we are going to talk to you next about the Mary Kay brush cleaner. And I absolutely love this for in-between cleanings. When you are doing your makeup and you may use one color today, like maybe a dark, maybe do a smoky eye, and you want to do something more natural and neutral looking the next day, you're going to want to clean in between those applications of your eyeshadow. So I wanted to also show you another way that you can clean your brushes that doesn't require the deep clean, where you really would have to let it have time to air dry and all of that, that you could kind of do on the fly after you finish cleaning or when you get home, because I know your mornings are busy, but it will allow you to be able to prep for the next application of your eyeshadow with a different color, so the colors don't blend and you still get that potent pigmentation that the Chroma Fusion eyeshadows give with Mary Kay. So I'm going to show you this quick video about how to use the brush cleaner to actually clean your brushes in between. So let's do this.
Which is why it's recommended to use the Mary Kay brush cleaner between shade applications to prevent unwanted color mixing, as well as for day-to-day cleaning. You just spray the brush cleaner directly onto the brush bristles until they're thoroughly saturated. Then sweep the brush over a tissue to remove the excess moisture and the color. Then you want to reshape the bristles and lay them flat and allow to air dry. Additionally, it's recommended.
Okay, so that is just quickly how you can clean your brushes and not have to worry about your brushes blending colors or your colors not coming out as potent. So you have the hydrating cleanser for the deep cleaning. You have the brush cleaner for the in-between cleaning when you change your different shades and you don't want to blend. But just know that when you do this brush cleaning, you want to do this on a regular basis. You want to make sure that your brushes are clean for your skin health. I can tell you, I have had times where I didn't clean my brushes like I was supposed to, and I may have had a breakout. And I know it's because I did not clean my brushes. Don't do what I do, girlfriend. Make it a point to clean your brushes on a regular basis, weekly to bi-weekly deep cleaning and in-between cleaning with the brush cleanser. So you can get the best performance out of your brushes. So if you're ready to stock up on your cleansers and know more about what's best for your specific beauty routine, be sure to type in the comments, book me, so we can set up a virtual consultation to to meet with you and teach you beauty cleaning hacks, as well as application hacks on how to make your beauty routine really work for you and fit into your life. So we are so excited for that for you. So in closing, just a quick summary of what we just talked about. Deep clean your brushes bi-weekly at a bare minimum. Make sure that you have brush cleaner to clean in between your applications, depending on the colors that you're using. If you're changing your blush or if you're changing your eyeshadow, to make sure that you get the best performance out of your brushes and that you really get the potency in your pigmentation when you apply your eyeshadow. And if you want to know more about how to use these products for your specific needs, book the beauty consultation. You can scan the QR code here in the corner, or you can check out the link in the description so we can meet. As always, I want you to share this video with 3 of your best girlfriends, and we will see you next week, girlfriend. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.